Okay, everybody, so what we have here, we have the micro machines, and we're gonna go do an unboxing. So, we're gonna need a knife here to cut it open. Don't let the kids touch this. Only adults should be touching it.
Thank you, honey. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, rip open. Rip open. Okay, so the section. Okay, look, now we gotta cut this off. Right here. There we go. And now we gotta cut the front. Okay, we'll cut this here. Cut this here. A lot of work to do on this thing here. Now we gotta cut this. Cut that off.
Here, you want me, just take the cars off. We can have the little cars. You want the cars? There we go. We have the red. We have, look what we have here. It comes with cars. We have an orange tractor, and we have a yellow truck, and then we have a green car. Here we go. So here you go. Take your cars. Sit down, buddy. Okay. So, gotta open it up. Let's see how we open this bad boy up. It does open. There's extra goodies inside. Oh, there we go. Like this. Like this. Wow, look at all this cool stuff inside. Ta-da! Ta-da! Whoa, look at that. Whoa. Look at all this cool stuff. Whoa. Whoa. Look at all this cool stuff. Where's the car, buddy? Let me see what the green car. Let me see the green one. There's a tractor. Where's the green car? Here we go. And look. Ah, yeah. Whoa. Okay. These are other pieces that come. So it's like a little city inside. Oh, look what you can do. Look, you can take the tractor and look. Move this way, buddy, so everybody can see. Look. Da-da-da-da. Hold on, where's the green car? Let me see the green one. Okay, look, it goes like this, look. Now the tractor's too big. I do the green car, look. Whoa. Okay, so.
What building? Oh, you figured it out? Oh, look. This is what you do. Look. Okay, where's the yellow car? You go like that. Where's the yellow car? Yeah, you're right. No, you go like this. Look. You put that back. Oh, here you go. Whoa. Okay. Now figure out where this goes. Where does this go? This is cool, right?
Okay, guys, here we go. Back. We're looking at the Micro Machine Super Van City and a couple different things that you can do on this playset, which is real cool. The first thing that we got baby Fox, little Fox playing with, is the racetrack. So let's show them how the racetrack works, buddy. So with the racetrack, all you do, you put it there and you push that red lever and they go. Okay, so Landon, let's show them the bridge. Show them how the bridge works. So we got the bridge, the orange bridge right here. So we just take the tractor, it can go up, 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 and it can come right down. See how it closes? You can open up and set up as a bridge. So we got stickers to stick on stuff. This is called the MicroMachines Super Van City. So it's a van with a city. So we got the little instructions here. And by the time you guys get back, we're gonna go ahead and have this all put together. Right, buddy? Okay. Okay, go right here. And it's gonna come out and you catch it, okay? And it can go down this way. Say bye.
Bye.
It's that wheel. Whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it, whip it. Stop.